I decided to go with this GoveeLife Wi-Fi refrigerator thermometer after accidentally leaving my freezer door open and losing everything. I really wanted something that could warn me right away on my phone if the temperature in the freezer starts to go up. Here's what comes in the box. You get the external display with two AAA batteries already installed. There's a button on the side to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and a built-in magnet so you can stick it right to your freezer door. And also in the box is a 120-volt Wi-Fi gateway that connects the display and sensor to your phone. They even provide double-sided sticky pads so you can mount the sensor holder if you want. After I defrosted my freezer, I decided to just set the sensor in the top shelf. Once you download the app, it walks you through connecting the gateway, sensor, and your phone step by step. It's actually pretty easy. From there, you can set up the alarm temperature and choose whether you want alerts by phone, email, or both. Now, the setup for this was quick and easy, and the whole thing, to me, feels solid and well made. Thanks for watching.